Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the treatment of stones in the gallbladder and its related complications. So first let us understand what is the broad treatment line for this disease. So just remember, if you want to treat this disease, you have to opt for only one option which is available, that is surgical removal of the gallbladder along with its stones. There is nothing called medical treatment of the gallbladder stones. You have to get them removed, and there is no option of just removal of gallbladder stones. Many people ask me, doctor, please just remove these stones. Why you want to remove an organ? So believe me, if stones are formed inside the gallbladder, that gallbladder is diseased and is of no use. And even if we remove stones from the gallbladder and keep the gallbladder inside you, that gallbladder is going to produce stones again and again. So it is pointless. So remember, the treatment, the gold standard is surgical removal of the gallbladder. Now there are two ways of doing that, by open method and by laparoscopic, that is keyhole surgery, जिसको हम दूरबीन की सर्जरी बोलते हैं. The gold standard is laparoscopic removal of the gallbladder. Open surgery is done only in 2 to 5% out of 100 in patients where this disease presents in a severe form or in a complicated way. So this is in nutshell. Now let us understand what are the indications of operation. Suppose there is nowadays we all are into health checkups. Suppose you don't have any pain, any problem, but in a health check, once you get your ultrasound done, that ultrasound picks up stones in the gallbladder. So if we go by our book, then there is no indication of surgery if there are no symptoms related to stones in the gallbladder. They are called as incidentally detected gallstones. But there is, especially in North India, there is a higher risk of development of cancer gallbladder. See, the only reason for removing that gallbladder is if we are fearful of that development of cancer gallbladder. Otherwise, by definition, it is not an indication to remove the gallbladder when it is detected just by chance. Only if patient is presenting with some kind of pain or symptoms related to that organ, that stone in the gallbladder, as I told you earlier, then this surgery is indicated. Now coming to the treatment of complication related to gallstones. First is acute cholecystitis. The treatment is as straightforward that we remove the gallbladder laparoscopically and patient is treated perfectly well. Usually it takes 2 days for patient to become absolutely normal. The second complication is gangrene or perforation. Again, the treatment is surgical removal, but in this particular category, the chances of getting this open conversion to open cholecystectomy becomes higher. In normal scenario, this incidence is only 0.5%. That means 1 out of 200 patients may require an open surgery. But when the gallbladder is gangrenous or perforated, the risk increases almost 10 times. But the treatment is again removal. But in this case, because there is an element of sepsis, patient may require a longer duration of hospital stay with a longer duration of antibiotic treatment. The third complication is if the stone slips into the bile duct and causes jaundice. In that case, we have to first get these stones removed from the bile duct by a procedure called ERCP. That means endoscopic removal of the stones from the bile duct. It is not an operation, it is an endoscopic procedure. Once that is done, the very next day we operate and remove the gallbladder and patient is treated for both the problems, that is CVD stones and gallbladder stones. The third complication is cholecystoduodenal fistula. This occurs, as I told you, once the stone becomes big, it causes common pathway between the gallbladder and the duodenum, which we call as fistula. And this stone slips into the small intestine and causes obstruction of the small intestine. It is known as gallstone ileus. This patient needs open surgery most of the times. We have to remove the stone from the intestine, and in addition to that, most of the times we have to do a cholecystectomy. Next complication is acute pancreatitis. If patient presents with acute pancreatitis, the initial treatment is medical. Once the pancreatitis is settled, then we do the removal of the gallbladder, because the cause of pancreatitis is a stone in the gallbladder, and in case we don't remove the gallbladder after treatment of the pancreatitis, significant chances are the patient is going to develop recurrent pancreatitis, which will be much more severe. The last but not the least complication, that is cancer of the gallbladder. Again, it is actually matter of chance. If we are very cautious and we are able to detect this disease very early, then surgical removal is the answer. Of course, the surgery is significantly bigger than the simple removal of the gallbladder, but the complications risk are same. Most of the times it's done open, but in few selected cases it can be done laparoscopically also. Then depending on the stage of the cancer, we decide whether after surgical removal patient needs chemotherapy or not. In few patients, if the disease is advanced, we first give chemotherapy, then do surgical removal of the cancer, and then give remaining chemotherapy. And there is a percentage of patient in which, because of the delayed diagnosis, the patient presents to us in the last stage of cancer where we cannot do any curative treatment. There is only option left is palliative treatment, where we just slow the process of disease progression. So friends, I am sure by now you must have understood that although it is a common disease, although in society we take it as a very normal disease, gallbladder stone ही तो क्या है, इसका क्या फर्क पड़ता है, people keeps on living for years together, only they regret later when they fall in any of these major complications. And even today, even in the city of Jaipur, in a tertiary level hospital, I see at least 4 mortalities, 4 deaths because of complication of the gallbladder despite best of the treatment. And this is not worth it. So please be aware of this simple disease with lethal consequences. Thank you very much.